Tapos, doggy helping shredding the egg box. Thank you, buddy. And here already toasted the bread for that sandwich with the margarine on it. With my coffee, I need to refill for the last refill. Or in the bottom.
Everything left.
You too?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, 2 cups each.
Oh, okay. So we had 2 cups each for this coffee maker, a 1 1/4 one.
Yeah.
This is
Our
empty.
mocha master.
Good morning. Another day. Just the cheese needs to melt.
No, trying new. This one for the fixed cheese. If you get leftover cheese,
Oh,
never done cheese on. Is that enough?
yeah, that's enough.
A bit. There's some cheese left for something.
So ayan, we are working again. Back to vlogging again and again and again. Thursday today, schedule for watering for here. So we're waiting for the update if we can use the spring or we can water our lawn. I have a bleeding dry here. Thank you. Oh my god, I can only eat one. I'll eat one for lunch. That's really big. I'm gonna get a doggy at gymnastics. Oh, last night I wasn't able to sleep talaga. I so much. It's very hot. That's why even all our window upstairs are open. It's still very hot for me. I don't know what's going on with my body. Super sweat at night. So we're done our breakfast and I already, guys, wiped the counter. Dishwasher is not so full, so we didn't turn it on. I just washed the pan. It's cooler already, so all the windows are closed. So we had windows open earlier when we woke up, or actually cooler inside now than the outside. Where is Otis? Si Otis, no, pag if once he get groomed, like his attitude changed. When I trim his hair, he became different. Like he's just want to sit her bum all the time in a chair, in a couch. Yeah, you just want your bum to be covered, no? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, see that? Oh, yeah. Nag-iiba ang ugali niya. He's been changed, like he feels like he's naked. he feels he feels like he's naked and just want to hide in that pillow or blanket or in a chair, couch, or bed. Si Elsa naman, she is okay. There's no change in Elsa's behavior. Kanina nag-ano na ako guys, naligo na ako. I already have my shower. Still felt warm kasi mainit naman talaga. It's again a heat warning here sa Alberta, Canada. By the way, here's Otis here. Still having his behavior of after grooming, guys. Yung ano lang siya, nakatuck-in lang siya. He's finished my edit and almost done. And I'm gonna do the thumbnail next, and then hopefully I can upload to this afternoon. And then while doing the thumbnail, I'm also gonna right away do the next video or vlog. I have the second one. It's really hazy On the news, I heard about the BC wildfires as the summer heats up again. Heat wave again here. Sa Canada in BC somewhere. Yeah, there's a wildfire. And here in Alberta, it's affecting. There is, I look up online and we're on moderate risk of the pollution, air quality pala. Not bad, but it's kind of hazy. Like, there is a Rodbica opening up. My husband is already mowing. It's windy a little bit, and the middle basket had Rodbica opening up, guys. I'm so happy. Kasi yung Rodbica, the first one by Geranium and Puppy. And we have second, and then also on the third basket, there's also two ones opening up. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Flower bar, it's just making me happy. Especially also when you planted it from seed. Down here with my sweeper duster. Actually, I need to get a new duster refill, sweeper refill kasi ano ubos na. And then also pala, I'm asking my husband to buy me a blade cleaner kasi hindi ko pa na-clean yung blade, but the scissor and this, I already cleaned that. Here, Elsa! This is just, waiting for Daddy. Daddy is mowing. But when we open this, the front is already done. The front is done. It's already mowed. Let's go at the back, Daddy. Where's Daddy? In the back, come on. There's Otis too. It's windy but hazy. Okay, come on. Where's Daddy? Yan lang yung routine. The routine of us. Kasi pag wala siyang work, of course, he is making our garden pretty. I'm guessing the wind is the reason also that the wildfire from the west of us, the wind right now is actually coming from the west. There is an umbrella on the top of the house over there. Where did the umbrella go? Oh, down there. Okay, it's actually already in the ground. Yeah, they found the umbrella, guys. Here they are. I wonder if that's their umbrella, because it's only in that area, that umbrella there. So if not, then it's the neighbor, or it's from far away flying. Ayan, it's very windy today. So this is nice because we have the angles, like the vegetable garden will get water as well. So I think that's what he is trying to do. I saw the zucchini are getting wet, so it's pretty much, it's getting there as well. Because if it's me, I'm just gonna water in a bucket. But because it's a watering day for the lawn, I think it's also a good idea to water them at the same time with a sprinkler. Yeah. So we're gonna trim your nail. Here's the scary thing. Gonna trim your nails, buddy. So I'm gonna just vacuum here. Ano ba? Itong grinder sa kanilang nails. So, malikabok. So, nagka-cover ako nito. So, yan guys. I already moved the, buttercup squash. Yan yung nagamit kong gloves at saka shovel. I used for moving, pulling it out there from the soil. And I told about the sa butternut squash, buttercup pala. Minove ko sila dito kasi they're getting bigger. Natamlay tuloy sila. Actually, there's 4. Natamlay sila eh. Naman silang ilipat. They're actually a vine. And then there's no area for them to vine in cucumber. Only 2 cucumber nag-survive after the water restriction. Natamlay sila when you move them. There's 1, 2 itong malaki. Ayan. Yan, isupport ko na lang siyang ganyan sa gitna. And then the third one, ito. Then the one that I found recently, I'm not sure what plant is that. Pinalit ko. So, ayan siya dyan. Pinalit ko siya dito. Baka ano to siya, zucchini. Medyo ma-hazy. Slight lang na haze. Hindi siya clear yung ating kapaligiran. Not so clear. And I did that transfer sa buttercup squash. I am not sure if they need climbing support. But there's 2 cucumber there. At least na-move ko sila somewhere na it's not overcrowded already because where I planted them first was between zucchini and the beans, and there's 4 of them, so hopefully I did not actually na-shock sila because as you guys saw that they kind of wilting, so hopefully I saved them, right? I saved them somewhere it's bigger space for them to either climb or just stay in that area where at the end next to the tomatoes. So the 2 cucumbers is there. I did put them in the front so they're gonna not really mix up, and it's only 2. And then the other one that I moved or replaced were the buttercup squash. I don't have any idea what it is. It's either cucumber or zucchini or summer squash. Wala pa akong liko. I didn't have my shower. Have shower later. So, wala akong masyadong gagawin, no? I am actually gonna upload my video tonight, and then I have other plans just at home. Obviously, I have a coming up schedule like the cleaning, general cleaning, and washing my clothes. At ako'y magluluto ng lunch ko. This is my lunch. Let's eat. Kain tayo.
Which is very, very poor. So they'd have an air quality alert.
It's very windy. Yatang storm. You can really see na it's super windy.